Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are very excited to share our review with you for the very first episode, which was released on Jio Hotstar this Monday. It's from our favorite universe, the Game of Thrones universe, the Westeros universe, and you must have guessed it from our excitement how excited we are. Series का नाम है
The Night of Seven Kingdoms.
Yes, the Night of Seven Kingdoms is here for all of you Game of Thrones fans, the House of Dragon fans, and the first episode was so good. We have just watched it. We thought to share our views with you, share our insights with you.
So it's basically good कि पूरे नाइट इन द मेकिंग का पूरा जर्नी दिखाया हुआ है. The name of the character is Sir Duncan.
Sir Duncan the Tall. And to be honest, we didn't know anything about it.
Right.
We just randomly played the episode, no homework done, nothing. Because we were quite sure, because we are like, हाँ, Game of Thrones तो पता है, ये तो पता ही होगा.
Game of Thrones is my life.
But no, it's not from the same era. It's 100 years before, yeah, the Game of Thrones, and 100 years, approximate 100 years before Game of Thrones took place, and it's 100 years after the House of Dragon era.
Somewhere between both of them.
Both of them, yeah. Where Westeros और ये सब का लड़ाई was the kingdom was at peace. A little bit of rule, the Targaryen rule was established there, and but the rule was still vulnerable क्योंकि पता नहीं था आगे क्या करना है.
So basically after the end of Targaryen dynasty, so probably 100 years later this story starts.
They are still there in power, I think.
They are still, but they have not shown anyone
The
in power
dragons-
yet. Dragons have got completely extinct
Yeah.
in this series, and there is no
50-60 years का timeline. I
so
think,
probably
बीच में.
there is no
the
such
people who have read the books must have, मतलब जिनको ज़्यादा knowledge रहेगा. I am the kind, when I get into some series, we do search on Wikipedia and stuff. क्या हो सकता है? How is it related? Like digging facts, and the fact was that in this, क्योंकि एक scene में वो नहीं, they were enacting the dragon, artificial dragon was used in the play, and it made us wonder कि are dragons still here, and it showed that they are extinct in this era at least. We've made it a point that we'll give you pointers, scene by scene review of the episode. First, let's start with the opening scene. Opening scene था, there's this huge knight. Of course, he's huge. Tall बोला है उसको, तो the built is tall, somewhat half giant like is what they call him throughout.
That's why he is called in future Sir Duncan the Tall.
Yeah. So उसको दिखाया गया, he is burying the
his master.
And then we can come to know the scene is very intense. Dark hair reigns, and he does it all alone, no one with him, just the 3 horses that he has, and
which he got from his master inheritance.
yeah. So वो था पहला scene. Ended on a very comic note, where we thought that it will be an exciting opening, जैसे Game of Thrones start होता है. Yeah, we were still waiting for title जो reveal होता है. We were waiting for that, and ऐसे Game of Thrones जैसे कुछ music आएगा, क्योंकि House of Dragons had the similar music.
It came out to be exactly what opposite we thought of. A dramatic opening सोचा था उतना नहीं था.
It was very light.
Raw, light-hearted. और
Sense of humor भी डाला है. Maybe it will get intense further. That scene ends with the boy riding back to his journey, मतलब the start of his journey with his 3 horses. He is going, and beautiful landscape. So वो ऐसे थोड़ा poor ही दिख रहा है.
Obviously, he's been portrayed as an orphan who started assisting a knight, being his squire. Nobody knows him, and nobody knows his master, who made him a knight. So he wants to prove himself. Or
I think that's his only
he wants
ambition.
a validity from the world. Yes, they should acknowledge him as a knight. That's the synopsis.
So then the scene moves to a inn. In में he goes to eat, have his dinner, his supper, and there he meets this bald guy, which we will tell you later because we have done some digging.
Yes.
And who he is. So is one person who gives him money, Targaryen होता है शायद, and he tells him that he had seen him coming in one of his dream and he's going to be brutal is what we think from that scene. That the way he is now vulnerable है, थोड़ा less confident है, poor है. I think वो journey जब तक end होगा, he'll be transformed, he'll be something else. बाद he comes out where this bald kid is again sitting on his horse trying to enact him, and then he expresses his wishes to become
His
squire. Yeah, so squire जो जैसे हमारे गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में ब्रेन ऑफ दैट का बॉय
Podrick.
So those who travel with the
Who
knight
wants to become a knight and assist his child.
वो they take them under the care and then they provide them with all the food, shelter जो भी है, and they have to take care of the knight's daily
Belongings,
needs.
needs.
Yeah. So that's it. So फिर वो squire बनना है लेकिन he refuses. He marches ahead to some kingdom where they have some some kind of a competition या कोई tournament है जहाँ he has to participate to get that knighthood.
Only knights can participate in those.
Once you win that, you get the recognition. Then the person who is in charge, he refuses because he doesn't have any witnesses. Witnesses नहीं होते हैं, तो he gets a rejection. But
although he shows his master's sword, that he is the person who has blessed me to be a knight.
Yeah, bestowed
So
him.
I am a knight, so you should recognize me.
He is being told that if you get some sponsorship, if you get someone to vouch for you, some existing lord vouches for you, then you would be able to join the tournament. वो भी उसके बाद भी उसको जीतना ही है. Loser has to pay some amount. वो भी उसके पास नहीं होता. So he has no option but to win, knowing that he wants to enter the competition. So he goes in search of some lord whom he thinks that he might be knowing. His master had served that lord in some battle and he tries to approach that master, and I don't think it's all in vain. The lord refuses to recognize
He's
him.
a Baratheon, right?
Baratheon तो बाद में आता है. He's quite disappointed कि अभी तो बोरिया बिस्तर लेके जाना ही है. Where he meets one of his friends who takes him to a Baratheon's celebration.
Right.
Yeah. So that Baratheon is very है उसका title and he is very supportive. मतलब मुझे पहले लगा कि थोड़ा danger लग सकता है जो whimsical types होते हैं, but he recognizes him due to his stance जो होता है उसका, जो इतने सारे लोगों में जो वो उसका जो tall, he is just there for his food, but and he tries to play it very low key amongst the guests, but फिर भी the Baratheon person recognizes him and he's drunk and they have this conversation. Moral boost मिलता है. It very inspiring also that वो उसका hardships
Party goes wild,
yeah.
but they somehow Dunk and the Baratheon Lord do connect.
वो
He's
टाइम
looking
पे
forward
लगा
to
ये अभी इसको स्पॉन्सरशिप दे देगा, मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट इजी ऑफ कोर्स. उसको नहीं देता है वो. दे जस्ट हैव अ फ्रेंडली काइंड ऑफ चैट एंड डंक रिटर्न्स टू हिज horses and the place where he lives. He is not living somewhere. उसने ऐसे ही उसका open area is his house. He finds a good shade of tree. He उसका घर बसा देता है वो उधर. तो that is how he lives.
Just
but
for the
हाँ, survival instincts. Yeah. तो but फिर egg मिलता है. Egg is back and he's
the
there.
bald guy, by the way.
The bald guy, yeah, egg. Yeah. Game of Thrones जिसने देखा है, some bell must
egg
be
नाम से
रंगी.
समझ जाओ
Yeah,
कौन हो सकता है वो.
Some bell must have rung कि कुछ तो है ये egg का. तो फिर वो आता है उधर, he is sitting there, he convinces him that you would be needing a squire, or knight can't be living like this.
Health तो सबको चाहिए रहती है.
On road, and you'll need a shelter, you'll need someone to cook food.
Tries to convince him.
And then he takes तभी Duncan भी पूरा जोश में रहता है, inspired by Baratheon's word, where he calls himself. There is where he introduces himself for the first time as Duncan the Tall, because the Baratheon person calls him that.
जिन्होंने गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स फॉलो किया है, काफ़ी बार जिक्र हुआ है इस नाम का गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में. सो दैट्स द कैरेक्टर जिनके ऊपर पूरा सीरीज प्लान हुई है, which is the Knight of Seven Kingdoms.
Yeah, so that is what Hedge Knight is being termed as a Hedge Knight. एपिसोड का नाम है. Hedge Knight is basically not a very famous kind of knight, a knight जिसका social status थोड़ा कम रहता है, and they are not respected that much in the Westeros world जितना बाकी के knight होते हैं, ऐसा ही he is there. और फिर अब उसका जर्नी दिखाएंगे मुझे लगता है आगे, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट देन व्हाट वी saw in Game of Thrones. It's very different than what we saw in House of Dragons. It's a very fresh concept. Hoping कि और आगे जाके ये मज़ेदार होता रहे. Of course we'll be finding all the connection. Would like to reveal कि वो एक जो है, जो छोटा बच्चा है, he is
he's actually a Targaryen king.
Yeah.
But he's under wraps till now. उसको low profile रखने के लिए for his own safety, he's hiding his identity. But
no, but by the way he starts talking, वो समझ जाता है he's not an
He's a
ordinary stable boy. He is a highborn, and जितना हमने पढ़ा है, जो हमारे नाइट्स वॉच के मास्टर थे,
Mr. Aemon.
He has mentioned his little brother whom he calls Egg. Aegon Targaryen is the boy's name. He says I was very fond of my little brother Egg, and we used to play, and this is that Egg. If you have watched the series carefully.
There's one more spoiler कि जब गेम ऑफ थ्रोन में जॉफ्री बैराथियन का वेडिंग रहता है, टीरियन गिव्स हिम द book.
हाँ,
4 pages on Duncan the Tall.
Yeah, मतलब
quite a some man.
4 pages है तो I think
100 years later भी उसका किसी बुक में 4 pages होना, किसी एक सिंगल पर्सन के लिए that
is a big
that itself
indication
talks about his achievement.
His अच्छी होने वाली है. Many things to look forward to. Also Duncan the Tall, we have read somewhere that he is one of the ancestors of Brienne Tarth.
Possible.
It's all जिसको बुक्स पढ़े हैं उनको तो of course ज़्यादा ही पता होगा. We are not the book fans, we are the series fans, so we see the episode. उसके बाद ही हमें पता चलता है, but अच्छा ब्रेन के लिए अच्छा एक्सरसाइज हो जाता है to relate everything. अभी तो 2 सीरीज के साथ रिलेट करना and to picturize and feel कैसा होगा. So अच्छा हुआ कोई सीरीज आया. We were eagerly waiting. And we will review each and every episode every week as it comes, क्योंकि binge watching इतना मज़ा है, वैसे ही ये वाला भी एक अलग मज़ा होता है. To the anxiety.
Second episode to come up.
Yeah, छोटे हैं. It was a 30-35 minute.
And do watch it as well.
Yeah, anyone who has missed watching.
Even Hindi and multiple languages में available है. So do watch it. कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि आपको कैसी लगी ये सीरीज या फर्स्ट एपिसोड, व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट, क्या अच्छा था क्या नहीं था, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक इट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एज मच एज यू कैन.
सो बाय फॉर नाउ, come meet you again
the second episode.
Yes, thank you and bye.